Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We know that 1 over 2, that is about cosine of b over 3. Next, we have the formula in here. Cosine A minus cosine B equals to negative number 2 sine of A plus B over number 2 and sine of A minus B over number 2. So we can apply this formula for this one in here, and that should be like this. So we have 8, that is about b over 3. B, that is about this one over number 2. And sine of this one, that is about b over 3 minus this one over number 2. So this one we have to b over 3. This one b over 3 minus b over 3, they cancel. Negative with s, we have negative s. Next, we have the formula sine of negative 8 equals to negative sine 8. So negative in here, I will put outside negative and negative, we have positive. Next, number 2 in here, I will put this one in here. Next, we can separate them in here, so we have like this. So we have the formula so capital A, that is about 1 over 2, 1 over 2. When s approaches to number 0, sine of as over as equals to number 1. So this one equals to number 1. For this one, we put number 0 cone here. And now we have the final answer. And number 1, I will put this one in here. So we calculate this value, and we have the square root of number 3 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.